Good morning. I wanted to go over your word work activity for today. You are using cycle 21 words. That is the last bottom box on this page right here on the back of your CMS packet. It's cycle 21. It's the words that you've been working with for the last few days. You are going to choose 10 of those words to write a sentence. So I want you to end up writing 10 sentences. Choose 10 of these words. I chose the word scream to write my first sentence with. Okay. So I came up with the sentence: You would hear me scream if I saw a snake. As you are writing your sentences, please make sure that you are starting your sentence with a capital letter and that you are ending it with a punctuation mark. It could be a period, question mark, or an exclamation point, depending on what type of sentence. For my sentence, it's just a period. There's my sentence. You would hear me scream if I saw a snake. All right. And I underlined my word in my sentence so that it stood out to me. Okay. So that's your task for today, guys. There's also an additional word work video by Miss Miller that's posted on here as well that you can also watch. All right. Have a great day. Bye.